Okay, I'm going to work through 7 through 10. For number 7, I have a 0, but I don't have a product, so I need to factor this. I'm going to factor 2x out of each term. And then if I'm multiplying two things together and getting 0, one of those things has got to be 0. So either the 2x or the x minus 3. And now I just need to solve each one of these. In this case, I'm going to divide both sides by 2. In this case, I'm going to add 3 to both sides. So my two solutions are x is 0 or x is 3. For number 8, I have a 0, but I don't have a product, so I need to factor. I'm going to factor a 5x out of each term. Here's the multiplication. I'm multiplying these two things together and getting 0, so one of the things has got to be 0. And then I'll solve each little equation. And I get x is 3, or x is 0. For number 9, again, I have a 0, but I don't have a product. I want to use the 0 product property, so I'm going to factor an x out of each term. And then here's the multiplication. I'm multiplying two things together and getting a 0. So one of those things has got to be 0. This one's already solved. This I have a little bit of work to do. So I add 1 to both sides. So 7x is equal to 1. I'm going to divide both sides by 7. So my other solution is x is 1/7. And again, you can kind of get to expect two solutions, two possible answers. For number 10, I have the 0. I'm going to factor a 3x out of each term. Now I'm multiplying 3x by 2x minus 3. One of those things has got to be 0. That's the 0 product property. So I'm going to divide both sides here by 3. But 0 divided by 3 is still 0. I'm going to add 3 to both sides here and then divide by 2. So I get x equals 3/2. And there are your two answers.